Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your flight ticket date with British Airways. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to British Airways website, and once you are on there it should look something like this. Now from here we just want to scroll down a little bit and we should be able to see these three options. They say manage my booking, online check-in and also flight status. Now we just want to go to the first option, which is manage my booking, and from here they will ask for our booking reference and also our last name. So in order to find our booking reference, if you don't know how to find it, you can click on this button here, and then if you have an e-ticket you can follow these instructions to find your booking reference on your ticket, and if you have a paper ticket you'll be able to find it just like this. So once you have actually got that, you can close the window and put it in here. And from there, you just want to put in your last name and then click Start Check-In. So from there, you'll be taken to a page that looks something like this, and we can actually change our booking details on this page. So as you can see down here, it says, I want to change the date of this flight to. So what you will have to do is tick this bottom option, and then you want to choose when you want to change the flight to. And from there, you want to see if they do actually allow you to change it. And hopefully they do, because sometimes they may not be able to, depending on what kind of schedule they've got. And if they're not letting you change the day, I'd recommend going over to this help centre. And from here, you should be able to contact them and ask them if they're able to change the ticket date for your flight. So that's how you can change your flight ticket date with British Airways. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.